TNT Tuesday once again.
Yeah, what do we got going on here?
Today,
What is this?
it's kind of a last minute thing. We decided, well, hey, you're not busy today. Let's let you get going on the Linex truck.
Let's do some body work. We're not doing anything today.
So obviously you didn't even wash the truck before we backed in here. We decided we're going to do a little rockers on the Linex truck.
This is your truck?
This is my truck.
Well, yours, Bob's truck.
It's like total my
Did
truck.
you? Did you?
know.
Man, you crashed a truck? Who would do that?
Yeah, I haven't
Oh wait, we
replaced
both
it.
did that last year.
And me too.
We both totaled the
Both
truck last
totaled the
year.
truck.
It
Yeah.
happens.
And since we already own, 3 trucks, 3
Three trucks.
Jeeps,
Three Jeeps? I think you got
all
like
these
7
things,
Jeeps, yeah.
I don't know. It's like, let's just drive this truck for now.
Yeah. So we're doing some upgrades here.
Yeah, yeah.
They put the graphics on last week, so people in town know who you guys are.
Yeah.
I mean, the Linex truck,
Yeah.
TNT, and then you're adding rocker protection.
Yeah. There was a little bit of rust starting on this passenger
What?
door.
Rust in Wyoming? You're kidding me.
This is a 2001. It's been around a little bit of a
Hey,
while.
she runs good for that old though.
Actually, probably going to turn about 160,000 miles this week.
Yeah.
And
Still going
And
pretty
so we
champ.
thought, well, let's doctor this up a little bit, and even someday when I do get another new truck, we're not going to get rid of this truck. We're going to keep it, and we can have more trucks running around. The guys can run it back and forth
Yeah.
or whatever.
No shortage of that.
But another thing that's going on,
Yes, ma'am.
it's Tom's birthday.
Tom's birthday?
It's Tom's birthday.
I'm guessing he's in his early hundreds.
Yeah,
Ooh,
he
too
probably
soon.
feels like it.
Well,
But-
let's go see him.
What we're going to do today is we are going to jump in a car, Jeep.
Jeep.
And drive
Whoa.
from
Whoa.
this shop to the other shop so that you guys can see how close the shops actually are. And we're going to surprise Tom because he has no idea
And see the journey that we do about 20 times a day.
that we got him a big birthday cake and everything. Hopefully he's not watching. Hopefully Bob's making him work enough.
I would
But
assume.
we're going to go over there, surprise Tom, and show you guys how close we are from one shop to the other shop and
Not far
what
at
we
all.
got going on over there. So we're going to do a little video with me and Chuck in the Jeep.
It's not a car. It's not a car.
No, not a car. Not a
It's
car.
not a car.
Hopefully we don't lose signal. I don't know what Mason has going
We'll see.
on
Good
here
so far.
for the once
Maybe
we get out of the building.
when we get off the Wi-Fi, it might glitch for a minute. But.
Yep.
Hey everybody!
We got this cake. We're gonna go surprise Tom.
Ooh!
Big 6-0. All
All right. See you guys in a bit.
Conversation.
Bye.
Guess I could have washed it.
Filthy. There's no denying that. Oh, come on.
You need some Carolina Metal Master grab handles here.
I don't even know what you're saying. That sounds like some JK stuff. I don't even know what you're talking about.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll try not to dump this
What is
cake.
this?
That's so we can light these.
Lighting your Misty 100s with
Light
it?
this
Corella
dynamite.
DeVille?
Don't be too crazy till I pop.
Oh, yeah. You good?
You might
Alright,
lose the
I'm
cake
good,
and
I'm
then
Okay.
Should
this
we-
would be
should
all
we
a wash.
sing or something? Isn't that what they? We could practice our
All right,
birthday.
we're leaving the parking lot.
We're-
What is this, like a mile and a half, if that?
I think so. Why don't you measure this? Pay attention.
Major? Because
Measure.
I have oversized tires.
So, we come out this one shop. Maybe we're gonna just scuttlebutt.
Hopefully we don't get in a wreck. How
That would
aggressive
be
would that
embarrassing.
You know, that would be way bad. That would be way bad. I'd probably end
I
up
mean, I have
wearing
been-
this.
We don't want to do that either.
No.
They-
So, are you still having good
Yep,
signal?
we're still good.
We're still good? Okay.
So
guys,
tell them that you started in manufacturing. Refresh that.
The building we were just at is where we've been in that building for 14 years technically. Technically, we've been in that building 14 years. The very first year, Bob was in a little building, actually just to the south of where we're heading. But this building over here, we obviously outgrew it again and had to take another step. So we purchased this one that's up here, about a mile and a half, I think it is, from the other shop. And it was kind of perfect because it's between our house and the shop. We don't live too far from the shops, either shop, which is very convenient as far as commuting. If I was really energetic, I could ride my bike, but I don't know.
If the weather was appropriate.
But we own Jeeps, so why would we do that?
Well, yeah,
Just drive with the doors
it's
off.
just better advertising to be in the Jeep, right?
Oh,
Or
the weather's
truck,
too crappy. I can't get to work. We have
Yeah,
Jeeps.
yeah.
We're always going to be at work.
And if you can tell, we're uphill the whole way home. You know, so to work would be no problem. It's downhill the whole way. But riding home, you know, after a long day, just not conducive to,
Right.
to the thingy. So, you know, it's been good.
Good.
Fantasy world would be that maybe we would all be back in one giant building, just so we didn't have to run back and forth. But somebody won't sell me your property right next to the other shop yet. So
Yes.
we'll
Yes.
see. We'll see if we can work on that someday. Someday. We don't have too far. We're gonna make a right turn up here in just a
Can't go
little
any
bit.
faster. That's the problem.
So, for those of you that just joined, we were at the manufacturing shop and we're making a quick journey over to the auto shop. It is Tom's birthday. It's his 60th birthday, actually. So, we want to celebrate him for a minute and also show you guys the differences in between our two locations because we do videos from both places and we manufacture in one spot and we do auto service in another spot. So,
For those that don't know, Tom is our service rider for the auto shop.
Yep.
If you come in there, you need anything from the auto shop, he is the man to talk to, for sure. He's been there a year or two.
Well,
I think they built the building around him, right?
yeah.
we bought him with the property. he was like an added piece of furniture that we inherited
He is
with the
definitely
property.
the glue that holds the
Right.
auto shop together.
He's been in that building for, I think, he's been with us for 3 years now, and he had been there for 15 years prior to. So he's been working in the same building for 18 years, and he's seen a lot of changes, and he knows a lot of the customers that have been coming there forever. Of course, he's still learning a lot about Jeeps, because auto repair is his forte. But see, it wasn't even 5 minutes, was it? It's not even 5 minutes between one shop and the other.
This shop is on South Greeley Highway, a little bit more of a popular road.
Yeah, much more visibility, so we can actually we get traffic just by being where we're at. You know what I mean? Parking cool Jeeps out
Angel
there
said the
with
cake is giving him anxiety. I think that means it tastes good. Or it looks good.
Don't forget your giant lighter.
I got my giant
We're
lighter.
gonna get these
Risky.
from the other side.
Get those lit out of here.
I'm not gonna.
Bob said he had nothing to do with the.
Happy birthday!
Birthday! We're putting you on TNT
big whoopee
Tuesday
cushion,
today,
Yeah.
Carl.
You can't forget this one. This is 60.
Big 6-0. We gotta help you celebrate with these big dynamite candles and I'm
nice.
seeing sparks.
They're
I'm
already
seeing
sparkling.
sparks. Oh, let's stand this little jobby up. We don't want you to go feeling like no.
Another day.
That's another
Well,
day.
happy birthday. We're so thankful
But
for you.
60 is a big one. It's a big one,
Gonna
Tom.
blow up on me?
No.
I don't know. I don't know.
Any more candles than that, we have to call the fire department.
Yeah. That's back when Jesus had Social Security number two.
This is four.
Well, thank
So
you.
you gotta make a wish. Blow 'em all
Okay.
out.
All
Think
right.
of a good wish.
I think you wish for a
Just to
raise.
stay busy.
You wish for a raise.
Yeah. Wish all to go good in 2020.
I knew you did it.
Nice.
I
And so the games begin.
You got to get them out for your wish to come true.
knew it. There you go.
Mason.
Hey, these are self-lighting.
Go. They keep going.
That's crazy.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, even this one's been out forever. You know, I'm gonna have to go get some kids.
That's
Give me
too
cake
funny.
back.
That's too funny.
Yeah, I asked him. I said, "Is anybody picking the ones up?" I said,
Are we
Just
done?
be as
Is it
a
gonna
wish.
stop? Look
That
at
was
this.
for-
I'm gonna get some water. Get some water.
from San Diego or something. It wasn't.
Hello, Tom.
Okay, yeah, cool. I will call
You
them.
can tell us a little bit about how long have
big
you
deal.
been
Thanks,
in
man.
this
Thanks.
building? How many customers have you seen come through that door right there.
Well,
You know, all the different changes
Lot
that
of
you've
years.
seen in this building.
Well, the neatest changes have happened in the last few years.
Yeah.
Since Bob and Mary have taken this place, there's a lot of room for growth and opportunity to service the community, expand the corporation. It's just exciting. It really is. I've seen years of this business in the past where parts of it was stagnating and frustrating. And when you're down in the trenches, you can't change it. But being involved with Bob and Mary and you guys and what we're doing every day is exciting.
Yeah.
Grateful to be here.
Doesn't look like a jail when you come in a jailhouse anymore.
It's just all better.
Yeah. Well, we're happy that we bought you with the fixtures.
Also, anymore.
And that we had you helping us for the last 3 years get this all going. And like I
Appreciate
said the other
opportunity.
day, I figure you'll be here till you're no longer.
Till I'm 60.
You're no longer standing on this earth.
Till I'm 60 anyway.
Anything exciting going on in the back?
Everybody's gone at lunch right now.
Everybody's at lunch.
Awesome.
Nothing new to show anybody?
No, we're still pretty much where it was because we worked on that wiring of the Sprinter van all last week. So
Oh yeah, we had a Sprinter van in here.
yeah, guys converting a Sprinter van to a RV.
Yeah.
So
I mean, between the three businesses, between really the Linex Auto Shop and TNT, we see just about everything. No heavy diesels, just simply because you can't get them in the building and lift them.
right.
And imports because we just don't have some of the tools you need to work on modern imports. So realistically, we work on just about everything. And anything you buy, we can install
Yep.
between the three businesses.
So that was kind of funny. You guys got to see how close the two shops are. We were videoing while we drove over here.
Oh, okay.
And
Yeah, we're hoping you weren't watching.
Someday we're gonna take you on a drive to show you how close we really are to Colorado. That you know, Colorado's
8
10 miles.
that way.
Yeah, 10 miles. Denver's only 90 miles from this shop.
Trust me,
So-
I'm well familiar with that drive.
Anybody need
Beating that
anything
back for a
from
while.
the northern Colorado area, we can handle all of that for you too. So
Absolutely.
I think that's about all I got. What about you guys? Got anything else?
No, that works for me.
All right. Thanks for
Great.
joining
Thank
us. See you guys. Oh,
See you
I got
next week.
something. Next week, special surprise. You're gonna want to tune in. We're gonna get an inside scoop of Carnage Motorsports in Miami next week.
The Jeep stretching specialist?
Yes.
Carnage? William the Carnage?
Two-door
The two-door
monster
JK.
stretcher.
JK stretch
Yes,
specialist.
JK
They've been
stretch.
pumping them out lately.
And-
Tons of them.
So you want
Whole crew.
don't miss next week. You'll be happy to see Carnage Motorsports.
Frizz
next
says
week.
he's watching us, so hi Frizz.
Hi, Frizz.
Nice.
All right. See you guys soon.